Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, let's start with today's English class with the poem of Ella Book, Mother to Son, written by Langston Hughes. Children, this poem is written in free verse, so there is no formal rhyme scheme in poem. The title is Mother to Son. The title itself suggests that in this poem, mother is talking to her son. It is a very beautiful poem about a mother giving advice to her son about the challenges of life. The main quality of the poem is that the tone in which this poem is written, after reading the poem, you will feel a kind of positivity. After reading the poem, one get a kind of positive attitude towards life. So, here in this poem, we can say that a mother wants to tell her life experience to her child. Means इस पोएम में जो एक माँ है वो अपने बच्चे को, अपने बेटे को अपनी लाइफ का एक्सपीरियंस बताना चाह रही है कि उसकी लाइफ में कितनी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स उसने अपनी लाइफ में फेस की हैं. And she wants to motivate the child by telling that it doesn't matter how hard the situation is, it doesn't matter how many problems you face in your life, you should always go ahead, you should always move on and never lose hope. You should never turn back in your life, you should always move forward. So let's start with the poem Mother to Son. Well, son, I will tell you, life for me ain't been no crystal stair. Here, in these lines, the mother is telling her son, well, my dear son, I will tell you, life for me means my life was not been like क्रिस्टल स्टेयर्स. कि जैसे क्रिस्टल की जो स्टेयर्स होती हैं वो जितनी स्मूथ होती हैं चढ़ने में, सिमिलरली माई लाइफ वॉज नॉट लाइक क्रिस्टल स्टेयर्स. माई लाइफ वॉज नॉट एन ईजी वन. इट वॉज फुल ऑफ डिफिकल्टीज एंड sorrows. It's had tacks in it and splinters. Tacks means pins, nails, and splinter means wooden or metal pieces. That means she is saying that, my dear boy, my life had tacks in it and splinters also. That means the way I have crossed in my life, the way I have walked on, that was full of tacks and splinters. उस रास्ते में जगह जगह मुझे कहीं पर कीले भी चुभी, मुझे कांच के टुकड़े भी चुभे, मेरे पैर में लकड़ी के टुकड़े भी आए, and splinters also. So my life was not an easy one. I have faced many problems in my life. And boats turn up. Boats turned up means the path she has crossed was completely damaged. The path, the way she has walked on, कि जिस रास्ते से वो अपने लाइफ में चल के आई है, जो भी उसने अपनी लाइफ की जर्नी अब तक कवर की है, the journey that she has covered up of the life was not an easy one. That was full of problems and the way was completely damaged. But still she didn't lose hope and still she was going on, she was walking on, she never stopped in her life. And places with no carpet the floor bare means the place was not like carpet. जैसे कोई भी रास्ता होता है, अगर किसी भी रास्ते में जगह जगह कोई भी चीज़ें पड़ी हुई हैं तो हम क्या करेंगे, अगर उस रास्ते पे कारपेट बिछा देंगे तो हमारे लिए चलने में ईजी हो जाएगा. सिमिलरली वो कह रही है कि मेरी लाइफ में, इन माई लाइफ देयर वॉज नो कारपेट ऑन द वे. आई हैव टू वॉक barefoot and I have to face all the problems of my life alone with courage. But all the time I have been climbing on. But she said, although I have faced many problems in my life, although my life was full of problems, but still, all the time I have been climbing on. I didn't lose hope in my life. I never stopped in my life. आई नेवर गिव अप इन लाइफ. मैंने कभी हार नहीं मानी, मैं हमेशा चलती रही. एंड रीचिंग लैंडिंग्स एंड टर्निंग कॉर्नर्स. रीचिंग लैंडिंग मीन्स I moved from one place to another place. I didn't lose hope. I didn't give up. I walked from one place to another and I reached my destination. and sometimes going in the dark, and somewhere sometime I feel that maybe I'm going in the dark, maybe my life is full of darkness. कहीं पर उन्हें ऐसा लगा कि उनकी लाइफ में चारों ओर अंधेरा ही अंधेरा है. There is no ray of hope in her life. But although she faced that time also, but still she didn't lose hope. वो रुकी नहीं, वो घबराई नहीं. कहीं पर उन्हें लगा कि लाइफ में अंधेरा ही अंधेरा है, चारों ओर कुछ नहीं दिख रहा, where there ain't been no light. Sometimes she felt that there is no light in the life, but still she didn't lose hope. She didn't give up in life. She always fought the life with courage and bravery. She was always climbing on. So boy, don't you turn back. So now she wants to say that, my dear boy, don't you turn back. Ki as I have crossed my life, as I have passed my life with facing it, I have faced my life with bravery and courage. Similarly, like your mother, you also have to face your life with bravery and courage. You should not turn back in your life. कि तुम्हें कभी भी लाइफ में पीछे मुड़ के नहीं देखना, तुम्हें हमेशा रास्ते में चलते जाना है, हमेशा आगे बढ़ना है. No matter how hard the situation is, how hard the life is, चाहे कितनी भी लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम्स आ जाएं, no matter, it doesn't matter, whatever problems you may face in your life, but still life is the another name of walking. कि लाइफ तो चलते रहने का नाम है, तुम्हें अपनी लाइफ में हमेशा चलते रहना है, रुकना नहीं है. Don't you sit down on the stairs. Again she wants to say that she wants to motivate her child. Don't you sit down on the stairs. If you find the stairs in your life, then don't try to sit on them. That means don't take rest. कि रास्ते में बैठना नहीं है, रुकना नहीं है. यू शुड नॉट स्टॉप इन बिटवीन ऑफ द लाइफ. रुकना नहीं है. यू शुड ऑलवेज बी वॉकिंग इन द लाइफ. हमेशा लाइफ में चलते रहना है. बिकॉज अगर एक बार तुम डर गए और डर के अगर तुम रुक गए, देन मे बी यू विल फॉल डाउन. कॉज you find it's kind of hard. Maybe sometime in your life you find your life a little bit hard. कि कहीं पर तुम्हें ऐसा लगेगा कि तुम्हारी लाइफ हार्ड है, कि तुम्हारी लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही है. मे बी यू विल लूज होप ऑल्सो. कहीं पर तुम्हें लगेगा कि अब लाइफ में कुछ नहीं बचा, आगे कुछ भी नहीं है, हिम्मत टूटेगी. बट स्टिल अगेन यू हैव टू गैदर द करेज एंड अगेन यू हैव टू मूव ऑन इन योर लाइफ. Don't you fall now. Again the mother is advising her child, okay, don't you fall now. You should not stop in your life. You should not be afraid of any problem in your life. कि तुम्हें कहीं लाइफ में किसी प्रॉब्लम से डर के रुकना नहीं है, तुम्हें हमेशा चलते जाना है. If you will stop, if you will afraid of the things, definitely you will stop. And if you stop in your life, definitely you will be at the age of falling down. So to protect yourself from the problems of life, you should always moving in your life. For I am still going, honey. Again the mother is saying, I am still going. कि my dear boy, at this age of life also I am still going on. I have not stopped yet. कि मैं अभी रुकी नहीं हूँ, कि मैं तो इतना मैंने अपनी लाइफ को कवर कर लिया. Still I have not stopped. कि मैं अभी भी नहीं रुकी, मैं अभी भी चल रही हूँ. So you are a small boy. तुम्हें तो अभी बहुत दूर जाना है. You should learn from your mother. You should always be like your mother in your life. No matter how hard the situation is, what problems do you face in your life, but still life is the another name of walking. Because life is not a bed of roses. I have still climbing, and life for me ain't been no crystal stair. Again at the end the mother is saying, still I am climbing the stair. Still I am climbing the stairs of my life. कि मैं अभी भी अपनी लाइफ की सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ रही हूँ. And for me my life is not like crystal stairs. That means my life is not as easy as you are thinking. So life is another name of walking. It is always full of challenges. She wants to tell her child that life is full of challenges. Whenever you will go in your life, definitely you will face many challenges in life. You will face many problems in life. But rather than being afraid of those problems, challenges in your life, you should go ahead. You should fight with them with bravery and courage. Because life is not a bed of roses. कि लाइफ रोजेस का बेड नहीं है कि जहाँ पे आपको हमेशा कंफर्ट से कंफर्ट्स मिलेंगे और आपको हमेशा अच्छी चीज़ें ही लाइफ में मिलेंगी. ऐसा नहीं है. हमेशा लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम्स आएंगी, सफरिंग्स आएंगी, आएंगी, ट्रबल्स आएंगे, लेकिन इट्स अप टू यू, हाउ डू यू टेक दोज थिंग्स. You should always move on with courage. You should always face those things with courage. You should always move on. You should not lose hope in your life. You should not give up. तुम्हें कभी भी हार जिंदगी में नहीं माननी है. That's all for today's poem. Thank you and have a nice day.